Die. But this is how you train someone like this. You hold him at the back like this, and you rub his belly. See how his stomach goes all out? You rub his belly. You rub it on the side. He gets sleepy and sleepy and sleepy. When you see his eyes are closed, right now his eyes ain't closed because I had stopped and I wasn't doing anything. I have this card. This is my credit card to buy them stuff, so this is my old one. So like what I do to it, he's getting so sleepy right now. He stays. Normally he'll go. So keep him like that. Now, at active one, see, he's lazy. Come on, get off. This is an active one. When she loves to play. Yeah. See how she not? He likes to bite on her ear. Stop biting on your sister ear. What the heck? See, that's why she just cried because he likes to bite. Stop! No, you're not about to bite on her ear. Stop. See how playful she is? Now she want to go fight that boy up so bad. So, and she's not even heavy, bro. Look, I'm carrying her with one hand, and she's not even that heavy. Stop biting. And also, he's a biter. Both of them are. Stop biting on people. Now, when she's playing, and you don't. Now he want to cry because she ain't playing with him. So when she's a player and like you want her to stop playing so much, you rub her on the head. When you stop her so and you start rubbing her on her back. Ouch. You don't use the credit card. You use the credit card for some lazy people and some biteys. Both of them. But she's a player. She's not always a biter. Like he is. He's lazy and he's a biter. So you just rub. She bite on my hand. You rub. Ow! And this is what she do. Bites my hand. Biter. And she's so playful. So more she playing, the more she get tired and she don't want to play. See, that's how Icy was. She was always a playful. Now she's so tired because she play, and we don't stop her. Well, now that's the puppy stop. Next to the next one. Next one is a trampoline. I'm gonna show you how to do a hand back spring. This is very easy. I'm doing it on the trampoline. This is how you do it. Wait till you get high and high and high and high and high and look. There you see it. With my bottom in the air, so I still jump. Sometimes you can land on your feet. Like, get out the way!